guys, we're back again. Probably it's a dog barking out outside my house. I don't know what's going on outside, but I'm not going there anyways. Okay, so I think I put the link in the description below this video of where you can actually get compilers for C Sharp, right? So there's this saying in ancient programming that each and every first program that you write in any language, it has to be hello world. That's why I like the name phrase. It's hello world. It's kind of a funny thing. Okay, right. Um, oh, C Sharp is object-oriented programming. When I say this, it might not make sense into you because we do not want to go much into it. But what you basically have to understand is that this programming language takes classes as what is objects, right? Basically, what a class is, right? Take it in the sense of a noun. A noun is a doing word. So whatever that you are going to be doing here is going to be telling the computer what it will be doing. So our class right here is called what? Programmer. We can change the name if you would like that. So we just write class hello world. So or we can just say call it hello, stuff like that. Okay, so we write our code within the function, okay, within the curly brackets. So we just want to print text that says hello world. So it's going to be because we are using IntelliSense, it's going to be so much faster and so much better. It just write hello world. Okay, so I want to tell you something. After you write this program, what you have to do next is you have to write console.read key so that the prompt screen is going to pause after you would have compiled your code. Then you save the code, then you run. Okay, now it's compiling. You just have to wait a few seconds. So basically, what it is going to do is it's going to print text on the prompt screen that says hello world, because that is what we would have instructed it to do. Okay, yeah, it has written a hello world. So try this out. Try to print as many things as you would like, and just check where and just make sure that you put quotes inside and you put a termination at the end of the statement so that your text comes out as you want it to. And don't forget the console.read key because it pauses the prompt screen. You have to do that. Okay, so thank you guys. Check it out later in the next tutorial.